Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today I am going to show you how to make Thai chicken rice, one of the most common street foods in Thailand. This is my favorite Thai dishes. It is simple and so tasty. Let's get started. To make the chicken and broth. Rub chicken with salt. Add water in the large pot. Add garlic. Add sliced ginger. Add cilantro root or stem. Add white or black peppercorns or ground. Bring it to boil. When it's boiling, add chicken. Simmer until the chicken is cooked through. Take the chicken out and let it cool down. Add winter melon or zucchini. Add thin soy sauce. Simmer until winter melon is cooked. To cook the rice, add olive oil or the oil from the collected chicken fat. Fry until fragrant and golden brown. Add the rice. Stir the rice until it is thick. Remove to the rice cooker. Add the chicken stock about ½ inch above the rice. Turn on rice cooker and cook. To make the sauce. In the blender add chilies, add garlic, add sliced ginger, add cilantro. Add soybean paste. Blend until chunky or smooth. Remove to a bowl. Add thin soy sauce. Add dark soy sauce. Add sugar. Add boil water. Add lime juice. Mix well and taste. Adjust as needed. Place a scoop of the rice on a plate. Add sliced cucumber. Add sliced chicken. Add cilantro for garnish. Serve with sauce. Bowl of chicken broth.